Let's go for a little walk in the rain. Definitely pretty in here. What a great day for a hike. Perfect Pacific Northwest Memorial Day weekend. I'm in downtown Port Ludlow at the beautiful Ludlow Falls. Wander through the ferns, cedars, alders, Douglas fir. Really spectacular place. Really fortunate to have this kind of stuff right in our backyard. What a great way to get some exercise and fresh air. Look up into the trees, you can see that we are really part of the Olympic Peninsula rainforest. You got a cedar there with so much moss. Obviously a rainforest look to it. Starting to hear Ludlow Creek now. It'll just get louder as we get closer to the falls. I love this walk. Those of you who know me know I don't say that very often about anything else, any other walk. Just this one. Really is just amazingly beautiful here. Even in the rain. All right. Set up that stairway. Feel the burn. I wouldn't have burned so much if I hadn't tried to do it 2 steps at a time. All right, now where it gets loud. It's been raining for a couple of days. Should have a pretty good flow today. It's been raining, so the leaves are weighted down on all these overhanging bushes. Makes me have to duck a little bit. What a beautiful way to spend half an hour. Our last little spot before we get back to the arboretum where we started. Our own little fern gully. Just really beautiful here on the bridge. As always, thanks for watching.